a loud crypto promise with very quiet legal details. CryptoFlow24.com presents itself as a modern investment platform focused on cryptocurrency trading and potentially CFD-style instruments. The website uses bold claims about fast profits, digital asset opportunities, and simplified access to the crypto market. Like many similar platforms, it attempts to create urgency and excitement around market volatility. However, in financial services, strong marketing language does not replace verified regulation and legal accountability. The project operates under the domain CryptoFlow24.com and appears to function as an online broker or investment intermediary. It promotes trading opportunities in digital assets and possibly leveraged instruments. Regulation is not clearly confirmed through independently verifiable official sources. The website may contain general statements about security or compliance, but these statements must be backed by real, traceable licenses issued by recognized regulators. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at cysic.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at SEC.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with CryptoFlow24.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In the brokerage industry, absence of confirmed supervision is a major red flag. A regulated broker must comply with strict requirements. These include segregation of client funds from company funds, capital adequacy rules, reporting obligations, and participation in investor protection schemes in certain jurisdictions. An unlicensed broker is not required to meet these standards. If disputes arise, there is no regulatory authority to intervene. This significantly increases the risk of financial loss and withdrawal issues, which are frequently reported in cases involving unlicensed platforms. The trading model appears to focus heavily on cryptocurrency speculation and may involve CFD trading. CFDs are high-risk instruments that allow traders to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. They are typically offered with leverage. High leverage multiplies both potential gains and potential losses. In regulated markets, leverage is capped to protect retail clients. When offered by an unlicensed broker, high leverage becomes especially dangerous. In many CFD setups, the broker acts as the counterparty to client trades, creating a structural conflict of interest. Without regulatory oversight, this conflict remains unchecked. Legal transparency is another critical factor. A legitimate broker clearly identifies its legal entity, company registration number, governing jurisdiction, and physical address. It provides detailed terms and conditions and a client agreement that can be independently verified. If CryptoFlow24.com does not provide corporate details that can be matched with official government or regulatory databases, investors are effectively sending funds to an unidentified operator. That is not a secure foundation for financial activity. Technical indicators can also provide context. Many high-risk investment platforms operate through recently registered domains, use privacy protection services to hide ownership details, and rely on generic website templates. While privacy services are not inherently illegal, financial intermediaries handling client funds are expected to maintain a high level of transparency. Limited domain history combined with lack of confirmed licensing significantly increases the overall risk profile. Several warning signs commonly associated with an investment scam may be present: absence of confirmed regulatory license, absence of recognized supervisory authority, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection mechanism, high-risk trading instruments such as leveraged CFDs, and potential withdrawal issues in the event of disputes. When these elements are combined, the environment becomes extremely unfavorable for retail investors. To avoid similar scams, investors should adopt a disciplined approach. Always verify a broker's license directly through official regulatory registers, such as the FCA, CISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA. Do not rely on logos, badges, or certificates displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Understand that cryptocurrency markets and CFD trading are inherently volatile and high risk, especially when leverage is involved. Be skeptical of platforms that promise guaranteed profits or apply pressure to deposit funds quickly. Legitimate financial institutions do not guarantee returns and do not use aggressive sales tactics. Treat vague legal disclosures, unclear ownership structures, and generic website design as serious warning signals. In conclusion, CryptoFlow24.com cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with high-risk trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the primary shield against fraud. Without it, the investor bears almost all the risk. In crypto trading, speed attracts, regulation protects.